Hey everybody, so welcome to the TechSpace. In this video, I'm going to go over a problem I was just having just now, and that's my SD card was not formatting correctly, and when I kept putting it in my camera, I was getting a message popping up saying that the card wasn't formatted right, or that there was a card error, or the card was protected. What you're going to want to do to fix that, and I just tried this with two different cards, so this should work for you. What you're going to want to do to fix that is go ahead, go to your SD card, so open up File Explorer by clicking the File Explorer down here. Then go to your SD card down here in the left side of the scroll menu, click on it, and once you click on it, delete everything in here. Let it delete, and then once you're done deleting everything, format. And what you're going to want to do different here is go to allocation size or unit size, go to default allocation size, make sure this is FAT32. Make sure this is 28.9 GB or whatever your capacity is for your SD card. If there's two, just make sure you're on the highest one. And then go to Quick Format, go up here or go to the bottom and click Start. But what we're going to do different is we're going to run this twice. So let it delete everything. As you can see, I'm about to stream right now. I have OBS open in the background. Let it format complete. Click OK, and then start it again. So start. Okay. And now when you put your SD card back into your camera, this should work. If it doesn't work, take the SD card out. Make sure, of course, that you don't have that little lock on the side of the SD card locked. And then if you don't know, there's like a little slider. Make sure that's on the unlock position. And then, if it's not working still after you formatted it twice, put it back into the camera, confirm it doesn't work, and then try this one more time. So if this works, let me know, because I've seen this work again on two different cards. I record a lot, so I have tons of memory cards, and this happens quite frequently. You don't, again, have like some special formatting service, or you're not paying for somebody to format your stuff, and you're just using Windows format, then it's going to probably, again, mess up sometimes, so you're going to have to repeat this method. So if you have to repeat this method, or even if this method worked for you, if it is working, please let me know. If it isn't working, please let me know. Please let me know the exact message you're getting, and put it in the comment section below so that I can actually make another video and send you guys a comment on how to fix that solution properly. So that's my goal here on the TechSpace, is to fix your tech problems, and in that, we're going to do that. So when you leave a comment on my page, just know I do read my comments. I do reply to as many as I can, and I'm saying as many as I can is 90%. So 9 out of 10 comments I reply to. So if you post a comment, I'm going to reply to it more than likely. So again, just take that time out and send me your exact problem. You don't have to describe it in like a huge paragraph. Just put little, bullet points or anything that you have, any information you have on your problem. If this isn't working, and then we'll go ahead and I'll make a video, send it to you over Twitter, send it to you over Instagram. I'll do anything I can to help you solve that problem. I promise you. You can also hit me up on social media. My links are in the description below. But other than that, make sure you like and subscribe to the TechSpace for more great tech videos. I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. And again, make sure you subscribe so I can see you guys in the next video. Tons of great tech videos coming out this year, so make sure you stay tuned. And again, I will see you guys next time.